All right. Welcome, guys. Look at this guy, man. Let's get straight into it. Midweek. Um, it's not going to be the easiest trades today, by the looks of it. Yes, okay. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be the easiest moves today. The best pivot I got is way down here, 183. Let's get it, K-Dog. ES swept the previous day highs. NQ hasn't. Earlier today. So yeah. So basically we're opening above previous day value. Okay, that's important. If bulls want to remain bullish, they need to hold the previous day value area high. So what I'm thinking is we come down, we take out the equal lows, we sweep into this point of control and we move higher. That's what I'm thinking. That's the trade I want. But what I do think is going to happen first is there's a lot of liquidity to the upside. So I think we're going to sweep higher first into the value area high on the previous day high, sweep it and then come down. Sweep this, then move higher. Oh, that's what I think is going to happen. Right now we're at the VWAP. If this fails, then my pivot's down here. And then previous day lows comes in a sweep of that, and then maybe I move higher. So we've got three pivots, but they're much lower. So I'm not sure if the market's going to move down that far down. I would like it, but I don't think so. Because I think the market's I think traders are starting to position a ceasefire. Bitcoin's pumping as well, so crypto definitely is. I think there's one more high on Bitcoin around 77, 78 around here, and then it's going to move down. Yeah, same thing with ES, guys. Same thing with ES. We've got 10 minutes until the open. Yeah, I just feel it's gonna pump. I just feel it's gonna pump first. Because there's a hell of a lot of liquidity positioned to the upside on the order flow. I'll show you this. Yeah, so you can see if I zoom out, look at all the orders. All the big orders are limit shorts. So that just, yeah, the skew is positioned higher. But who knows? We'll see. We could even come down here and then pump and then drop. So there's different ways of this happening. Max Pain is still higher. So same as ES. So if it goes up, sweeps, it'll need to hold the value area high in order to reach this target. If it doesn't, then it's curtains. Let's see how this thing plays out today. And we got a few options. I'll be looking for that as well. If it sweeps first, back test of the value area high, I might go long here. Even if it fails, we should still get like 30-40 points out of it. Whoops. Breaking down. A few minutes left until the open. Don't think we've got much news today. Yeah, nothing really. Tomorrow is jobless claims. Got a couple of Fed speakers as well. And nothing really on Friday. Next week is where all the news is loaded. We've got Chicago PMIs, JOLTS on Tuesday. Then we've got ISM Wednesday, big day. Jobless claims, and then non-farm payrolls. Yeah, big day. All right. Let's see, QQQ. Okay. Yeah, half cap is going to be support on both indexes, so we need to watch that. Right now, bouncing off this gamma level. It's pretty important gamma level, this one. Five more minutes. Yeah, they have some longs trapped here right now. Around 445. The bulls need to get out of 445 zone if they're going to protect these positions. And keep an eye on the news as well. What about you boys in the chat? Boys and girls? What do you think? Bullish, bearish? I'm a bit neutral so far. Yeah. K-Dog is neutral. All right, 3 more minutes. Some of the altcoins are, man, this thing is just, yeah, render looks like bullish. I think we're going to get a big pump on these altcoins soon, especially if this a ceasefire happens. I think sooner than later we're going to get a big pump on these. A couple more minutes, guys. Sellers stepping in. Minute left. Gotta keep an eye on the news, guys. Very, very sensitive to news, tweets and stuff like that. So a flash down will be so nice to get a trade. All right, we're open. Oh, it's pumping. It looks like what I thought was going to happen is happening. I think the sweep of the highs comes first and then we drop. So let's watch that. It's looking really bullish. Bulls are getting absorbed a little bit though, over here. There is a bit of absorption. Retest of the VWAP. Yeah, nice bounce from the VWAP. Nothing so far yet. Looking bullish though to me anyways. But let's see. Can turn around at any point. Alright. Rejection, nice. Can they continue? Do a set, guys. Trying to pump it again. Yeah, that gamma level keeps coming into play over and over again. You can see it's just getting tapped all the time. And they keep hedging. Yeah, it's not going to be easy level to break. Coincidentally, the VWAP sits right on it. Yeah, they're pumping it really hard now. Yeah, let me put you on that screen. Yeah, they're pumping it really hard. You can see this gamma level here. This just keeps coming into play. See what yes is doing. Okay. SPX, all right. Yeah, very aggressive open on the SPX as well. The max pin is high, expected move. Okay. Yeah. Oof. Wow. What a move, guys. Yeah, my instincts were right, man. My instincts were right. I just thought they're going to move it higher first. Yeah, that's what they're doing right now. Because all that liquidity was just resting higher and higher. So, all right, we're at major gamma level now. So got to be careful here. I do think they'll get through it. Okay. All right. I see what you mean, Tiki. 1 second. Yeah, it's pumping really hard, guys. Just be very careful. Yeah. Okay. Let's yeah, look at that rejection of that gamma level. All right. Okay. Oh, ES has took the highs, guys. So be careful. Watch your pullback. This is the value area high. So you got delta divergence between SMT is what they call it, right? Yeah, very harsh rejection. Be very careful, guys. The theory is correct, okay? Sweep high first and then we come down and then sweep these equal lows. So be careful. Maybe NQ doesn't go for the highs. All right, and keep pushing. All right, we are moving down, guys. The theory stays correct. Look at that rejection on ES. We're moving down. Okay. Now I think she's going to come all the way and sweep all these equal lows on ES, and same thing for NQ. So, yeah, that was brilliant. Yeah, the half cup, trying to bounce off the... 1 second. Yeah, half cup's going to come into play. That'll probably correspond with a sweep of all these lows as well. So that'll be nice. Let's see what happens here. Yeah. Sellers are in control here. Just what I thought was going to happen is looks like it might be playing out here. Could get a pop though. Yeah, VIX is starting to rise. At 6,600 on SPX. We should watch that as well. Yeah, there we go, guys. When you've been in these markets a long time, you just kind of, you know, repeated patterns. You just kind of know what's going to happen, you know? Just instincts are so good. When you've been trading a long time, you build instincts, man. I'll tell you that one thing right now. It's like, yeah, I've seen this story before. Yes, could pop at the value area low though. Be careful. Then you go up and then come down. I do want to see a nice flush though. Get this flush over and done with. We can go long. Get our trade. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way. Ooh, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, girl. Get out the way. Market just loves the VWAP, eh? Always somehow finds support on the VWAP. Always. Like it's crazy, huh? Like that thing is like a magnet. Wow, they turned the whole 30-minute candle around. The bears, they've almost turned it red. Beautiful. Yeah, we had a big gamma level here as well, guys. We had an 830 gamma level. Now these gamma levels have changed now. With the Ticky's gamma levels update at 8:30 and then 9:30. So there was a big gamma level there. There she goes. Let's go. Watch a pop though from the value area low from 400. Maybe gets a pop back up. Slam it. It's beautiful. Yeah, watch a pop from here at the value area low now. Beautiful sell-off. Oh, this is really nice. Beautiful. Oh, what a sell-off, guys. What a sell-off. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's get some orders ready here. Okay, swept this. Has it swept? Kind of. Not yet. But this could pop at any time back up to 450s. So have that in mind. Oh, this is so nice. Yeah, watch a pop here. Now we've taken the low. This may pop back up towards the 250s. I won't be surprised by it. Yeah, big pump. Back into 400. Yeah, watch him move higher. This is great selling. Oh, this is amazing, guys. I'm gonna be replaying that opening stream today. My pre-market game plan. I'll definitely be replaying that today. That was fucking perfect call. Juiced about that. Watch a pop here, guys. Back into these levels. Then drop. That's what I'm thinking here. Stop out some of these late shorts. I've got a new 30-minute candle opening as well in 5 minutes. Yeah, they're going for it. I think around the VWAP, point of control here, around the 450s, 440s, and that's where she's gonna go first. Yeah, back up to 450. Looks like it. Yeah, they may bring it down first and then pop it like they usually do. Yeah, up to the 400s now. Yeah, getting pumpy. Near the 410s. Yeah, this is what they do normally. They bring it up, bring it down, then the real move happens after. Yeah, now they're bringing it back down. Then they likely bring it back up again. Right, a minute left to the new 30-minute candle. It's looking heavy, but I think they'll bring it back up. Yeah, this is what they usually do. A minute left. Right, nice. Yeah, yes, swept. Yes, swept is now getting bullish. Oh man, should have been paying attention more to the yes. Yeah, look at this go now. Wow, man, should have longed that. Fuck. How perfect did I have that mapped out pre-market? And that is insane, eh? Now it's gonna fucking go to 260s. Yeah, NQ is gonna go to the 260s now. Fuck. It's gonna go and fill this imbalance now. Oh man. Yeah, it's gone. There she goes. Yeah, that would have been a perfect long. Man, fuck, man. That's so frustrating. That's your fault, K-Dog. It's really your fault. Really your fault, that. That's all K-Dog's fault, guys. And blame K-Dog for that. Yeah, he knows it. K-Dog knows it. Look at NQ now. Moon mission time. Look at this. Wow. K-Dog, that's your fault, bro. That's really your fault. I'm telling you. Look at this thing fly. Yeah, you gotta watch that tape of the pre-market game plan today. How perfect did I map it out? It doesn't get any more perfect than that, does it? Shorts are getting absorbed now. Ooh, this thing could keep going to the highs, guys. Yeah, this is gonna probably retrace back to the value area low and then burst higher. There she goes. There she goes, ladies and gents. Ah, man. That sucks. Oh, wow. How did I map that out, eh? So it's going to go for the highest sweep. Obviously, ES swept, so it created SMT divergence between the indexes. We had a massive gamma level. We swept. I said we're going to sweep here. We didn't quite sweep, but ES swept. So the index to pay attention to for my pre-market game plan was ES today. Oh man. Not all well. How many points we would have got from that? We longed it. Almost 100 points would have got off that. NQ's not sweeping at all today. So it hasn't swept previous day highs today, and it's not even swept these equal lows at the New York. The daily equal lows here. It didn't sweep the daily high. It didn't sweep previous day highs. It didn't sweep the daily low either, which is crazy, eh? All right. What's crypto doing? All right, Bitcoin's getting a bit of a pullback. Not much though. What's the news saying? Any news? Okay. There's no confirmed date or venue for possible US-Iran talks in Islamabad, and Iran has not yet agreed to the talks, Pakistan officials say. So Pakistan is trying to be a mediator between them. NQ looks like it wants higher. Iran will end the war at the time of its choosing. Iran will end the war at the time of its choosing. Iran reviewed the problem, consider it excessive. Tehran delivered by regional intermediary that it will continue defending itself. Iran's defense will continue until its conditions are met. The first condition for the end of the war is the end of attacks and assassinations. Middle East war could increase upward pressure on the franc. Okay. Cool. Iran demands clear determination, guaranteed payment for war damage. Iran demands an establishment of concrete guarantees to prevent the recurrence of war. Okay, so that's a pretty reasonable request, but the request for guaranteed payment for war damage, I don't think Trump's going to agree to that. Okay. So NQ is not deciding to sweep any levels today, eh, guys? Crazy, huh? Bitcoin's getting a pullback. I see the metals market today. Okay, gold's bouncing. Gold's had a huge bounce, eh, of 4,100. Oil's at 88. If they get a ceasefire, this thing's going to drop like a rock. And the 10-year will drop as well. The 10-year will drop. DXY, okay. And Q might want higher prices here, guys. That's what it's looking like. Yeah, silver struck this low and pumped pretty hard. 60 to 75, man, that's a big pump. 22%, wow. Silver traders are doing well there. That was only Monday 23rd, which is 2 days ago. Yeah, if you bought silver, you've made over 20% on your money already. Pretty nice. And Q wants higher pricing here, guys. Yeah, I think she's gonna go higher, guys. I really do. That's the kind of feeling I'm getting here. I hope it comes lower, but I'm not sure it will. Yeah, it's pumping like crazy right now. Yeah, this is so bullish, guys. This is so bullish right now. Man. I would have got over 125 points, man, on that long. Yeah, this might just go here. Go and clear out and go towards these high levels. First, it's got to clear this gamma level and value area high 475. Yeah, but I think it's going to get up to these levels, 560s today. That's what it's looking like to me anyways. I do want lower levels. That was the ultimate level that I want is 182. Not sure I'm gonna get it. Will I long if I get a sweep of these equal lows? Yeah, probably. Will I short if I get up here? Maybe. Yes is a bit weak. Yeah, look at that. Half cap on SPX. Half cap on QQQ. Ah, fuck, man. K-Dog's fault. All K-Dog's fault. That was A plus setup. A plus setup, guys. Bang. Pretty much bang. Bang. ES with the sweep of the lows. Liquidity swept. Bang. NQ didn't sweep, so there was actually SMT divergence between the indexes, which we saw at the highs as well. So that was what we call an A plus. A pluses have over an 80% hit rate. It's just not very easy to find them. But when they do happen like this, you've got to take advantage. Unfortunately, I was a bit too slow on the trigger. I wasn't checking ES. That's why you got to keep an eye on all indexes, guys. I think I need like 7-8 screens, eh? Look at this NQ go now. Yep, there she goes. Into value very high and key gamma. There she goes, guys. All right, guys, I'm going to give it probably another 5 minutes. I'm probably going to jump out of here. Yeah, pretty nicely done. Very, very good pre-market game plan. Everything was perfect. Mapped it out. I'm going to rewatch that pre-market game plan that I made. It was fantastic. Yeah. If I get a trade, I'll be looking for a sweep of these eco highs into like 560 and then drop. Or we sweep these lows here. So you know what I want to do. So yeah, I'm more reluctant on the short. Well, kind of, but I think the short will still play with the VIX this high. I'm still above midpoint. Man, what a fucking 30-minute candle, eh? 157 points so far, this 30-minute candle. And we still got 8 minutes left. Yeah, this is on a moon mission right now here, guys. That was pretty disappointing though, eh? I missed over 150 point long. Wow, what a pump. Oof. Wow. That's a news candle for sure. Wow, Iran said talks won't happen until the 5 conditions are met.